Well, I don't know how much of this we'll be able to hear with the wind noise, but we'll see. I've got my little portable recorder stuck in my shirt pocket. It's been a long time since this GoPro's been on top of a helmet. Hey, that's pretty close to being right. This is my new Lectric brand electric bike. It's the version 2, which has suspension in the front. The tires are narrower than the version 1, but they're still pretty daggone wide. It's a comfortable ride. You can set it to go faster than 20. I think 23, but 20 is fast enough for me. We've got 2 of these now. One of them I bought for my lovely wife. It has a pass-through bar, so it's a girl's bike, but basically it's the same bike. And for what little bit we have ridden them, we have enjoyed them. Right now I've got the cruise control set. I don't know if you can see that there, but I've got the cruise control set at maximum speed, so I'm just cruising along. Every now and then I can pedal and give it a little assist, or I can just let it do its own thing. Doesn't really matter. That's a big load of dirt for that trailer. See if there's anybody coming behind me, and there's not. Use the hand signal and hit the brake to turn off the cruise control. And here we go. Give it a little pedal to assist it. I did order one of their wide, more comfortable seats that's got the built-in shock. I think this trip has told me that I'm going to order a second one. I've been letting my wife use this other seat. Compared to a lot of the other electric bikes on the market, this one is extremely well priced. I'm not going to say what I get for it. You can go online and look them up. This one took a long time for it to come in the mail, mostly because of the backup of shipping out of China. But from the looks of their website, they've got they've got some in stock again, and the one I ordered for my wife, it was only about maybe 3-4 weeks, something like that, and we got it. A lot of soccer playing going on. Looks like there's even some softball or baseball going on. Well, that freshly mown hay smells pretty good. Probably not quite bicycle attire that I'm wearing. Wearing a collared button-up shirt, pair of jeans, and my cowboy boots. But hey, that's the way I roll. Warmed up here the last couple days, but the humidity is way down from what it was in July, so it's really been nice.